luggage, check. Yellow bag, filled, check. And my camera is all set and ready to go. Mommy, I'm just so excited. It's so hurry because we're going on vacation on the airplane. Yay. Okay, let's wait a second. I just forgot one more dress first. Which one is it? That one? No. Oh, yes, that's one. That's the one I wanted. All right, let me get it. Perfect. All right, this need to put it in the trunk now. All right, inside you go, dress. Me too. I want to put something too. All right, can you carry this bag inside for me, Elsia? Okay. Ooh, wait, I did it. All right, and this big luggage too. Put it in. All right, are you ready to go? Oh yeah, let's go. All right, go in the back seat. Come on, Mommy. We're gonna be very, very late. 1 minute, sweetie. Patient. I just need to close up the closet first. Okay, I'll just take 2 minutes. There. You excited? Yeah. Here we go, Mommy. Okay, to the airport. Yeah. Mommy, come on, Mommy. I know. All right, stop here. I just have to take off the things, okay? Oh, so you have to be patient, okay? Okay, Mommy. I will be patient. Come on, Mommy. I know. I'm just going to put this back in my closet. Okay, patience. Make sure you be patient, okay? Okay, be patient, sweetie. Okay. I'm putting it on. Let's see. There now. And I'll say bye to my Elsa dress. Okay. There you go. Are you excited? Yeah. Okay. First, let me get that luggage. And can you carry this bag for me so you can help? Okay. Okay, got it. Okay, good. And I'll get this luggage, okay? Let's go to the airplane. Yay, to the plane! Wow, here's a jet, Elsia. Are you excited to go? Yes. All right, this is my seat. All right, put this luggage over here. Okay, and where do I put my purse? Oh, you can put in the cabin luggage. Right over there beside the flight attendant. Up here, Elsia. Put it right in. This is a cute little cabin luggage, yeah. And it'll stay nice and safe there. Let's go in. Okay. Come on, Mommy. I'm coming. Let's go in. Okay. Don't forget to put your seatbelt, Elsia. Okay? Okay, Mommy. Safety first. Okay, I will put it on my seatbelt, okay? Okay, I will. Okay, put in your seatbelt. Okay, safety first. And plug it in. Did you do it good? Yeah. Okay, we're about to take off in 5 minutes. You excited? Yeah. Okay, let me put on my seatbelt. Plug it in. There, I plugged in my seatbelt. Let me check if you have your seatbelts on. Okay. And what about you, sweetie? Oh, I do have my seatbelt. I'm going to be serving out food once we're in the air. Yay, food. I can't wait to have some food.